Let's get down to the details. What are the logistics and what materials do you need to set yourself up for success? First, the books, what everyone focuses on. So what do you need access to? I'll include a full list of resources attached to this lecture, but let me give you the quick version. There are a few almost non-negotiable resources, and then a couple others that if you can afford, will save you a bunch of time internet searching. Let's start with the crucial resources. Number 1, the GMAC official guide. It doesn't matter if it's the latest version, but it's worth the money. It's a pretty economical way to get the most accurate diagnostic exam and a whole wealth of practice problems. Number 2, the GMAC official practice tests. They really are the best way to calibrate where you are in your test prep, and the best way to truly simulate what the exam will feel like. The third crucial resource is a few unofficial practice exams. Personally, I recommend Veritas. They have full-length, well-constructed practice exams that are pretty economical. These extra exams are fantastic because they can serve 1 as actual fully simulated practice exams, and 2 as another set of question banks. Next, let's cover the couple non-essential but very useful resources. 1, specific instruction material for each section. Now these can run a little bit more expensive, but if you use them well, they can pay dividends. The one I've coached students to success with many times is Manhattan Prep. They have a great set of books for each problem type within each section, and they're a great way to make sure you're covering all your bases. Second is access to some larger question banks. These can be from anywhere: Magoosh, Manhattan Prep, you name it, wherever's affordable and trustworthy for you. But ideally, choose a question bank that's online. That'll help them be more realistic practice. These question banks online will help you take advantage of the small chunks of time you have in your day to practice without using up a full practice exam.